In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Slack on phone from desktop. If you're moving between devices or just want a faster way to get Slack on your phone without typing passwords, this method is quick, secure, and takes less than a minute once you know where to look. Start on your desktop in the Slack app. At the very top left of the Home tab, you'll see your workspace name. It might look like your company or team name. Click that name to open a small menu. This is where Slack keeps handy shortcuts related to your workspace and settings, and it's the gateway to getting your phone connected with almost no effort. In that menu, select either Get the Mobile app or Sign in on Mobile. Different versions of Slack may show one or the other, but for our purpose, they both lead you to the same place. The moment you click it, Slack will generate a unique QR code on your screen. This code securely links your desktop session to your phone, so you don't have to enter credentials on a tiny keyboard. Now, take your phone and point its camera at the QR code on your desktop. Most modern phones recognize QR codes instantly using the built-in camera. Keep your computer screen brightness up, hold your phone steady, and make sure the code is centered in the viewfinder. If it doesn't scan right away, try enlarging the Slack window so the code appears bigger, or tilt your phone slightly to reduce glare. A stable internet connection on both devices helps this happen smoothly. Once the code is recognized, you'll see a prompt on your phone to open Slack. If you already have the Slack app installed, you'll be taken straight into the app and signed into the same workspace you're viewing on your desktop. If you don't have Slack installed yet, the prompt will guide you to download it. After the app finishes installing, the process continues automatically, and you'll be logged in without needing to re-enter anything. That's it. With a single click on your desktop and a quick scan from your phone, you've connected your mobile device to Slack. This is especially useful if you're setting up a new phone, onboarding a teammate, or just want to be reachable when you step away from your desk. And there you go. Simple, fast, and secure. If you found this helpful, take a moment to repeat the process for any other workspaces you use so everything stays in sync on the go.